everyone, and today I'm going to be talking about the Lexar 32gb USB 3.0 flash drive, thumb drive. Just some pretty common names. Let's just start with talking about the size. First of all, it's pretty small as any flash drive would be. But one cool thing I like about this is the shape. It's not square, as most flash drives I've seen are pretty square. This one's quite rounded, and it has these cool holes in the back. I don't know what it's for. I just say it gives more aesthetic points. And it's by a company called Lexar. I haven't really heard of them too much, but this is a very solid flash drive. It also, another feature is on the software side of it. It can also encrypt this entire flash drives to where you would need to enter a password that you set up to access all the files within it first off. And you could also set it so, say for your computer or laptop, you don't have to enter that password. You can just plug it in and it would automatically work. But then for, say, your friend took your flash drive for some reason, or even worse, and they try to get all your files, well, unless they know the password, they really can't. And you can also reset your password. You could also reset your password without requiring resetting the hard drive. That's a little, not hard drive, flash drive. It's a little bit more complicated. That's a very cool feature. It adds an extra bit of security that, while a lot of companies for flash drives are doing it, I haven't seen too many quite yet. As far as I know of, it only comes in this one color. I don't think it comes in any other color, but I don't think it should matter. It's more practical. This flash drive is more practical. And with USB 3.0, it's certainly more faster read and write speeds than a lot of flash drives, because a lot still use USB 2. While we are moving on, 3 is a good industry standard, I could say. So it's top of the line. It's safe to say it's top of the line. Well, yeah, there's 3.1. That isn't really too mainstream yet. This is mainstream. And what I like about the outer shell is it's pretty sturdy and durable. I can't tell you how many times this thing has fallen off of high places. I'm 6 feet tall, and I carried it like it's a phone sometimes, and it's fallen from very far distances, like 15 feet from a parking lot. This thing fell from a parking lot one time, and everything still works. And no one notices that, but this thing has been through a lot, so it's quite durable. I got this product as a gift from one of my friends. He's an IT specialist, and he's even said that this is one of his favorite flash drives. So I have more of an inquiry to go with what he says, of course. Otherwise, as far as the tip, it also has the blue, what's it called? I think ribbon at the bottom, just to show that it's USB 3. That's another cool thing. And I've been doing this the entire time, but let me actually tell you fully how to open up the actual part where you can, plug in the USB. So to open up, there's this nice little arrow pointing this direction, meaning that you'd want to slide. It's quite hard to slide. I'm going to be honest, it's not the easiest to slide. You need to apply a good amount of force to it, but once you get it to slide, all you do is just put the force and then just slowly slide all the way until you hear a click, meaning it has fully slid. Right there, that's the click. And now it is ready for use. And then if you would want to put it back, obviously, you go the opposite of where this arrow is telling you naturally. Again, with the same amount of force I would use to slide until you just hear a smaller click. It is still a click nevertheless, but it is smaller. As far as what it's made out of, this has this very nice plastic dome shape. I would call it a dome shape. I don't know the technical term, but it's very nice quality plastic. You know, it really does well for what you're getting here. This would be a perfect gift for someone who has files and that they need on the go, and who really just wants something that's very durable, will last them long, very elegant design, easy to clean up. You just take a cloth and then just rub it here, and you can make very nice, clean flash drive with very fast read and write speeds. Overall, very great product. I would recommend this product to anyone.